Curious about a career in pharmacy? In this video, we'll talk about what pharmacists do, why they're essential to the economy, what skills you'll need for this career, industries you can expect to work in, schools and programs that will equip you for a pharmacist career, and other resources. So, what exactly is pharmacy? Pharmacy is the health profession that links the health sciences with the chemical sciences, and it is charged with ensuring the safe use of medication. The scope of pharmacy practice includes more traditional roles, such as compounding and dispensing medications on the orders of physicians. And it also includes more modern services related to patient care, including clinical services, reviewing medications for safety and efficacy, and providing drug information. Pharmacists distribute prescription drugs to individuals. They also advise their patients, physicians, and other practitioners on the selection, dosages, interactions, and side effects of medications, as well as monitor the health and progress of the patients to ensure that they are using their medication safely and effectively. Because most pharmacists work in a community setting, such as a retail drugstore, or in a healthcare facility, such as a hospital, they are some of the most easily accessible members of a person's healthcare team. Their work is crucial because without the support and expertise of pharmacists, many non-adherent patients will never complete their full course of medication, leading to avoidable complications. Check out this video for a glimpse into what pharmacists actually do. Skills needed for a career in pharmacy. To be a successful pharmacist, it is important to have skills such as scientific aptitude. Pharmacists need to have an in-depth knowledge and enthusiasm for chemistry and biology. It's important to be able to easily assimilate new and complex information when it becomes available. Mathematical skills, from something as complex as calculating how many pills a patient needs to working out complex variable dosages. Numerical skills are essential. Diplomacy. At one time or another, every pharmacist will encounter a patient who is trying to get restricted substance without a prescription, on an expired prescription, or too early. Pharmacists have to be able to resolve these situations in everyone's best interest. This requires diplomacy, good judgment, and the ability to stay calm, as well as taking into account the safety of the patient, staff, and other customers. Analytical skills. Pharmacists have to approach their work with an analytical mind and refer to the correct sources when necessary, as well as taking a logical and accountable approach to any decisions they make regarding a patient's medication. And ethics. Industries that require pharmacists. Pharmacists work in pharmacies, including those in drug, general merchandise, and grocery stores. They also work in hospitals and other healthcare facilities. Some pharmacists may also be responsible for the management of public and private pharmaceutical establishments, clinical and biochemical laboratories, radiopharmaceutical laboratories, and teaching, among others. Some example titles of roles that pharmacists may hold are pharmacologist, health outcomes pharmacist, clinical pharmacist, pharmacy specialist, pharmacy manager, pharmacist in charge, director of pharmacy, staff pharmacist, long-term care pharmacist, and nuclear pharmacist. Economic outlook. The top 3 areas with the highest levels of employment among pharmacists are nuclear pharmacy, chemotherapy pharmacy, and long-term care pharmacy. The top 3 highest-paying states are New Jersey, with an annual mean wage of $150,000, California paying $152,000, and New York at $146,000. Check out the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics website to see the data for your state or the state you're interested in working in. The link will be in the description. Your next steps. To be a pharmacist, you'll need to get a Doctor of Pharmacy degree, PharmD. This program requires at least 2 years of specific undergraduate college study, followed by 4 academic years of professional pharmacy study. Most students enter a pharmacy degree program after completion of 3 or more years of college. If you haven't completed any college coursework, you can apply directly to a PharmD program that accepts high school students into what is called a 0 to 6 program. You'll need to meet the admission requirements of the college and the PharmD program where you apply, but you don't advance to the professional portion of the program until after you complete all undergraduate prerequisites. Lastly, you'll need a license to practice. All states require pharmacists to be licensed. While these licenses are usually transferable from state to state, they sometimes require taking additional exams. Some schools that offer the 4-year PharmD degree program are Texas A&M University, the University of Illinois at Chicago, and the University of Minnesota. For the pre-pharmacy prerequisites, you can consider getting a 2-year associate degree from schools such as Seminole State College of Florida, American National University, or Remington College. If you're looking to go the online route, check out schools with online pharmacy programs, such as Lake Erie College of Osteopathic Medicine, Concordia University, and the University of Colorado. You can use a directory to search for relevant institutions in your desired state. You'll find a link to a directory in the description. If you're interested in pharmacy as a career, you can check out some of the schools mentioned here. Visit their websites and search for more information. You can also contact the program representatives, and I'm sure they'll be happy to provide you with more information on their school and the admission process. Most of the schools I've mentioned here also offer financial aid and scholarships, should you happen to need help funding your studies. The ball is in your court now. Do your research. Talk to your guidance counselors at school or professionals who can help you understand more about the field. Research schools and programs that will be a good fit for you. And most importantly, believe in yourself. Keep your dreams alive. Make sure to download the worksheet in the description below. Please share this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.